Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to prevent camera access on Telegram, so you can take full control of your privacy and stop the app from using your camera without permission. If you're concerned about apps accessing your camera in the background, this quick setting change will give you peace of mind. Let's get straight into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control everything related to your device, including app permissions. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as Apps and Notifications or Application Manager. Now, you'll see a list of all installed apps. Find and tap on Telegram. If you have many apps, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it faster. Once you're inside the Telegram app settings, look for the option called Permissions and tap on it. This section shows you what access Telegram currently has on your device. Here, you'll see different permissions like camera, microphone, storage, and more. Tap on Camera to manage its access. You'll now see different options for camera access. To completely block Telegram from using your camera, select Don't Allow. That's it. Telegram will no longer be able to access your camera unless you manually change the setting again in the future. This is especially useful if you want to improve your privacy or prevent accidental camera usage while using the app. If you ever need to use the camera within Telegram again, you can simply come back to these settings and allow access anytime. And that's how you prevent camera access on Telegram in just a few simple steps.